In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for manufacturing. We'll start right from the homepage of Monday.com and walk through setting up a ready-made manufacturing workflow, then explore a few views that help you manage production, timelines, and your own tasks. Once you're on the Monday.com home screen and logged into your workspace, look for the option to start a new board. Instead of building everything from scratch, we're going to use one of Monday's templates. Click on Start with Template. Using templates is a huge time saver because they come with columns, groups, and example items already structured for common use cases. When the Template Center opens, you'll see different categories across the top or side. Find and click on the Manufacturing category. This will filter the gallery down to templates that are specifically designed for manufacturing processes like production planning, work orders, and project tracking. Inside that Manufacturing category, choose the highlighted template that best matches your needs. This highlighted option is usually a recommended or popular setup, which makes it a strong starting point if you're not sure exactly what you want yet. Once you've opened that templates page, go ahead and click on Use Template. Monday.com will now create a new board in your account based on that layout. After a few moments, you'll be taken directly into the new board where you can start working. On this new manufacturing board, you'll see sample items such as Task 1, Task 2, and Task 3. Click on Task 1 first. This opens the Item Details panel, where you can see and edit information like status, owner, dates, or quantities. You can overwrite the sample name with a real production task, for example, cut raw material or assemble components. Next, click on Task 2 and then Task 3, doing the same thing. Use these existing items as placeholders and update them to reflect actual steps in your manufacturing workflow. This approach helps you quickly learn how each column is used, rather than starting with an empty table. Now, look for the highlighted controls or tabs near the top of the board. These are different views. One of them is called Single Project. Click on Single Project to see a focused view of your manufacturing project, often grouped by phases or milestones. Then switch to the Gantt view. The Gantt chart lets you visualize your tasks on a timeline, see dependencies, and check if production steps overlap correctly. Next, open the Tasks Assigned to Me view to filter the board down to only the items you're responsible for. Finally, click on Project Dashboard to get a high-level summary of your manufacturing project, including progress, workload, and key metrics all in one place.